Reed.
Reed. Give it up for Reed, everybody. And Ashley. Reed and Ashley. I'm going to have you stand over just over here. And these two are going to act out a scene. And during the scene, you guys are going to be providing sound effects. So Reed is going to be doing Anna's sound effects, and Ashley is going to be making sound effects for Evan. And just go crazy. The more sound effects, the better. So, for this game, Anna and Evan. Well, Anna is on a skydiving date with her boyfriend, Evan, who is terrified of heights. Take it away.
Kathy, how far are we from the drop point?
I don't know, Jack. I'd say we're about half a mile.
Oh God! That's like 10 seconds! Airplane speeds.
I think we'll be fine, but do you hear that engine rumbling? That sounds a little strange.
Yeah, that, is that smoke? Oh God, do you see smoke?
Maybe we should get someone to look.
We're gonna have to jump, aren't we?
We're gonna have to jump right now.
I don't want to
I'm
jump.
gonna unbuckle myself.
I don't want to jump, I'm gonna stay.
You're gonna stay, but if you stay, you're gonna die, Jack.
I don't want to jump. I'll stay, I'll die. I'll stay and die.
You'll stay and die. Well, I guess that's it then.
Oh, I can't die single. I can't die alone. I'm coming.
Hey, you came after all. You must care about me so much, Jack.
Yeah, you, not me.
You want to get married after this?
What?
I said you want to get married.
I know, I wanted to act like I didn't hear you so I didn't have to say no.
Can I go through this any faster?
I'll come too.
Well, what do you hope to accomplish through this?
I don't want to die alone, mostly.
That is in fact an existential crisis I had not thought about previously. Huh, oh look, we're on the ground. Also, breaking up with you. But thanks for the skydiving date. It was fun. I'm just gonna go squelch through all this mud.
Wait, no, come back. Whoa, I'm just like floating on the mud. It's awesome.
What could you possibly say to me, Jack? We went through a disaster together and you still won't marry me?
What if I took you bungee jumping?
I might consider it then.
Well, because I've got this brochure here about bungee jumping, and like it's a 2-for-1 with the skydiving. So
It's done then. Let's go bungee jumping.
woo! Another day.